Good morning. So this morning I had a hard time getting up and getting to work. Oh my god. This is the best man in the whole world.
That's true. Best woman in the whole world.
You're super close to me.
No, okay.
We just ate dinner at my parents' house. I want to go lay down so bad. I'm tired today. I'm hoping that we fall asleep early and get up early tomorrow. Probably won't happen. But we checked the mail today. And we haven't checked in a really long time, and I got this thing from, what is this called? Wedding Paper Divas. And they have really cool invitations in there, but they're kind of pricey, so probably won't be getting our invites from there.
Probably not.
What's up? What are you eating?
What? Chocolate. Twigs. Need a moment. Chew it over the Twigs.
I want to watch MasterChef and I want to lay down. And my eyes are itchy from the cats. So that sucks. I'll upload the tag video that I filmed the other day. And so that'll be up tomorrow. Right when you're watching this vlog, it'll be up. So you can go check that out if you want to. And then I still have one more video that'll probably go up sometime next week. But I will let you guys know. Do you have anything to say?
Cool.
Do you ever have anything to say?
My eyes were getting itchy. Not really, no.
Why were your eyes getting itchy?
At the house?
Because of cats?
Maybe. I don't know.
Why are your eyes closed right now?
I don't know. Still have allergies and I'm tired.
I'm like really super tired. I hate Mondays. They're like my least favorite week.
Sunburned.
My least favorite week, my least favorite day of the week.
You said it was gonna rain at 6. What happened?
I don't know. They lied to me.
Don't they always?
No.
Yeah.
We were supposed to get thunderstorms and rain every day this week. And today is the start of the week and it did not rain.
My stomach is making some really weird noises.
Do you have to go to the bathroom?
Yeah. That's putting it mildly.
Gross. Luis is going to his parents' house. He's actually going to go pick up some lunch for tomorrow. I guess his mom made food, so he went to go pick it up because we went to my parents' house for dinner tonight. I bought bread from the grocery store, so I think I'm just going to go ahead and make myself like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich for lunch because I love peanut butter and jelly. It's one of my favorite things. Alright, well, I am going to upload and edit and type up some addresses and kind of get things organized. Honestly, whenever I am like organizing, it kind of relaxes me. So that's what I think I'm going to do. I've got my laptop and Luis's laptop here. So I'm about to type some stuff up on Luis's laptop and then I'm uploading on mine. So yeah. One thing about Luis's laptop, he's got this Dell laptop. I used to have the same one. But it like needs to update itself all the time. And like when you're in the middle of using it, sometimes it'll just shut off. Like, I don't know. So I'm really happy with my MacBook Pro. I mean, I switched from this Dell PC to a MacBook Pro, I'd say a little less than a year ago. I love my MacBook. Like, it is just so different from a PC, and I just love it. It's not slow. It's not laggy. It's, you know, it doesn't do, like, random updates all the time, so definitely love it. Love it, love it. And when I got my MacBook Pro, Luis was like, it's just a laptop. Like, why do you have to spend so much money on a laptop? Blah, 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 blah. Well, when he started working at the office, we have Macs at the office. And now Luis is like, I want a Mac. And I'm like, oh, really? I'm going to type some stuff up on the PC. I'm uploading on the MacBook. And we will talk to you tomorrow. Bye, guys. We're leaving the pool now. It was nice. There weren't that many people there. And like when we got here, it wasn't super hot out yet. So it wasn't too bad. But now it's starting to get hot. It was like 95 when we were here before, and now I think it's like 98 or something. So we're headed back to the apartment.